Alright guys, so today what I'm gonna show you guys is about Hyuandi Elantra cigarette lighter is not working. So here's the thing. As you can see, I have a cigarette lighter on the passenger side working properly, and I have another 12-volt outlet on the other side. As you can see, the light is on the passenger side. When I take it out and I put it over here, it's not working on this side, which means my both adapters are working properly, and on this side it's not working. So it means might be a issue there might be an issue with the cigarette lighter, or there's a fuse burned out. So I tried to figure this out. I checked YouTube for Hyundai Elantra 2017. I couldn't find anything on YouTube or on Google. So I took out the fuse box. Everyone's showing me this is the fuse box, but I have to look at it. Sometimes what happens is you can replace this. It says module 4, it's 10 amp. So you can replace this fuse on your fuse box that I'm gonna show you. Sometimes it will help you out, but not all the time. So let's focus on this one. I think I don't have no lights over here. Let me turn on a light for you. I hope I can get some light. Here it is. Alright, so as you can see, not the first one from the bottom, not the first one, not the second one to your left. The third one, it says 10 amp. That is the fuse that you have to replace. But in this case, which is the driver side, and sometimes it's not working, so I couldn't find that one, and it's not basically not the same fuse that I was looking for. So I found something else. I went to the fuse box that I have in my Hyundai Elantra 2017. As you can see, I opened everything out and I looked through the fuse box menu. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you. Alright, here is the fuse box that you will look for. It's called outlet. So that's outlet 3 or outlet 2. One of them is for the passenger, the other one is for the driver side. So I'm gonna show you which one is for the driver side. That one to the left is for the driver. Let me hold the light because it's dark here and I can't see anything. I can see, but I cannot show anything for you guys. Alright. Sorry for bad recording because I don't have anything on me. Alright. As you can see, I'm gonna touch it. I hope you can see it. Not this one. This one. This one, the first one. I'm gonna use a screwdriver to show you exactly which one I'm talking about. Well, here is my screwdriver. Alright, so this is the fuse that I'm talking about. I'm gonna take it out. Be careful with the fuse. So as you can see, this is a 20 amp, and flip it around, you can barely see that fuse got torn, or I will turn it around and I will show you, and you will see the gap right there in between two connections. So take this on the side, put it on the side, and here you will see on the menu it says 20 amp spare, and here is a 20 amp spare that you have. Take this out. I would recommend, once you take this out, try to go to AutoZone or anywhere that you can find a spare fuse. Put it back on, fill it up, so you will have a spare fuse for yourself for the next time if that thing happens. Keep in mind, you will not find this instruction at any YouTube or anything like that, because I couldn't find it. I've been trying to dig into that information for a long time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use both hands. I'm gonna leave the video for a second, recording for a second. Okay. So one other thing that I'm gonna tell you guys is here you will have two clamps, so you have to push both clamps outside, then you can take the fuse out. As you can see, I cannot do it with one hand, so you have to use both of your hands and take that fuse out. Okay, so let's do it this way. I'm gonna do it this way. Alright, so here I am once again. As you can see, this is a brand new fuse. This is the fuse that I just lifted in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace that fuse and I'm gonna put a new one. Then we're gonna test if that works. So I plug this fuse back again. Oops. Alright, stick it in, it's completely in. Make sure none of electrical stuff or anything metallic will touch any of these fuses, because if these two connections will connect to each other, it might have burned anything. Alright, so now I'm gonna come back to the car and I'm gonna check it. Alright, so earlier you guys were watching and now you can see it lit back on, so it's not working, right? Because I needed to use both of them and I wasn't able to fix it. Here you go. Both of them are working right now. And one other thing that I've noticed since the fuse got burned, the issue was that my passenger side light went up. I have to look for this one too, because I don't see nothing sensor that will show me or indicate that one of my light got burned out, but it means one of the fuses got burned down, so I have to check another fuse, and I'm gonna show you guys on the next video to how to do that and how to find out about your passenger side brake light. So thanks for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, give us a comment down below if you have any question about Hyuandi Elantra 2017. I can do a basic troubleshooting for my own vehicle, and I've been fixing everything. It's a brand new vehicle. It shouldn't have a lot of issues, but still it does. It's not it's human made to always have issues. Alright, so I'm gonna close the fuse box. That's called fuse or OBD. Alright, I've closed this one. Now I'm gonna go back to the fuse box. So for this one, because I don't need this, I can throw it away, and or I can leave it right there, but I don't need it. I can throw it away. So you will close back this again, right? The way that you opened it. Alright, close it until you hear the click, and it's ready, good to go. Thanks for watching.